Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Dodge Durango hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side, near the floorboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct pop as the hood unlatches. Now, proceed to the front of your vehicle to continue the process. This initial step is crucial for safety. Once at the front, gently lift the hood a few inches. Reach your hand under the front edge, near the center, to locate the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent accidental opening. Depending on your model, you will either push a small lever to the side or pull it up to fully release the hood. It's a simple but important step. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now lift the hood completely open. Look for the hood prop rod, which is typically attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully remove the rod from its clip and insert the end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood or in the engine compartment. Ensure it is securely placed to prevent the hood from falling. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support slot and secure it back in its storage clip. Gently lower the hood until it is about 12 inches above the closed position. Then, apply firm, even pressure to the center of the hood, pushing it down until both latches engage with a click. Always double-check that the hood is fully closed and secure before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.